Hi everyone, welcome to Jelly Bean Catapults. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to show you what you'll be getting from the library and how to make your own jelly bean catapult. So you will need some tape here, any kind of tape will do. We will give you some rubber bands, we will also give you popsicle sticks, a spoon, and you'll get some starbursts to go along with it. So what you'll want to do first is just take a popsicle stick, anyone you want, and some of the tape you're going to use, and your spoon, and make sure that the spoon, the actual part of the, not the stem of the spoon, is sticking out from under the popsicle stick. And then from here, you'll want to put tape around it just to secure it to the popsicle stick. So I'm going to do the bottom part of the spoon and then just underneath right here. Okay, so I have it in two spots here, secured it on there, and then I'm going to take my other popsicle sticks. So you'll need 4 to put together here, so just stack them, and then you'll take one of the rubber bands and just keep tying until it's secured. And then you'll want to do the other end as well. All right. Okay. So on either end, and then you'll take the one with the spoon, the popsicle stick with the spoon, and then your last popsicle stick here, and you'll kind of want to put the one without the spoon underneath your stack, and then the one with the spoon on top of your stack here, like about in the middle. And then you will want to put your rubber band like an X across this way and then across the other way. So I'm just going to go here. So you go, it's easy from the bottom. And then just keep going until it's tight enough. And then you'll do the other side, and then just make sure that your spoon's up in there, and then this side. All right, so you got it there. And then it should help you catapult. I'll show you with one of the jelly beans here. We hold it, should put the spoon down, hold the spoon, and then there goes your jelly bean. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this, and then if you want, you could also eat some of your jelly beans and then just have fun with the other ones. All right, Miss Lorena did forget one step at the end. You're gonna get one more rubber band, and you wanna make sure that it's at the end of the popsicle sticks so that it kind of makes a V shape. So just put it all around them. Make sure that it's tight so that it goes down, and then your catapult puts your spoon up. All right, so it's at the end there. There's your little V, and then it should help you fling your spoon a little more.